Alright, I got Burm to the tub. Let's see how I can get him in the water. Pretty easy, pretty easy. Right, the water's not warm. Apparently he likes cold water. Right, almost like a water snake. How you get a fly on you in the water? Alright, we're gonna go ahead and let him chill up in here until he goes ahead and use the bathroom. But he was starting to smell bad because snake urine smells horrible. And what happens is he'll go ahead and pee, and then he'll just sit in a pool of it. And that'll just be his scent of his enclosure. But we took him out of the enclosure to go ahead and let him go outside and get some natural air. And after that, we're gonna bring him to the tub, wash him off, get all of them bugs from outside off of him, get him nice and clean. Then we're gonna go ahead and put him back in his enclosure. And then we're gonna try to see if Burm is hungry. See if he probably wanna eat something today. Cause last week he had a big rat and it really filled up his stomach and he was filled up. Look, see, there he goes squeezing so he can poop. Look at that. See him all hunched in. He's trying to get it out. He already got enough outside. Crazy flies. But he's trying. So give him another good 10 minutes. Let him hang out in here. And then we'll put it back in the enclosure, people. So holla at your boy. Make sure y'all hit that like button, people. This is the Burmese Python, the albino.